Hey guys, this is Scott, Gresham Toyota. Quick question, does the Rav4 Prime 2024 have remote start? You would think, since it's a smart key, and about 99% of the Rav4s right now have remote start besides the LE. I wanted to find out, I know you have the hold AC button that gives you air conditioning and doesn't turn the engine on. Remote start's good for a couple different reasons. It warms up the vehicle, and it has the possibility of turning the engine on, so if you have really cold weather, really cold climate, it's a benefit for that. And then it warms like the seat up and the steering wheel up if you have the remote start system. So let's try it right now. So we do lock, lock, and then we hold lock. So we do that. What's crazy is I actually got off the phone with someone from Toyota Connected Services. You do have Toyota Remote Connect, but it's not Remote Connect. It's more like remote control, climate control. It's not going to turn on the engine. It's kind of like this whole AC button where it just turns on the air conditioner and things like that. So you go to the Toyota app and you click on the start button for the Remote Connect system. And what it does is it allows you to select the climate. I was in the app the other day and it didn't let me select the climate at all, so I called Toyota. They said they're working on a fix for that. So to answer your question, guys, the 2024 Toyota Rav4 Prime does not have remote start. It has remote connect, but it's more like remote connect for climate control, which is like, I just want remote start. Come on, Toyota. Just give me remote start, please. But interesting fact, something you guys should know. If you're selling these, something you should know too. And this is Scott here, Gresham Toyota. Take care. Bye.